In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an attendance sheet in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a classroom, a small group, a club, or just keeping track of attendance for an event, Google Sheets provides an accessible and effective way to keep everything organized. Let's dive in and get started by setting up the structure of your sheet. First, you'll want to begin with a simple and clear layout. In column A, we'll list all the names of the attendees. Think of this as your reference column. For our example, we might have names like Rahul and Priya, but of course, you'll replace these with your actual attendee names. Now moving across the top row, label each cell with the dates of attendance. You can simply number them as 1, 2, 3, and so forth, or if you prefer more specificity, use actual calendar dates. By creating this grid format with the names on the left and dates across the top, you establish a solid foundation for your recording needs. Once your structure is set, it's time to think about how you'll mark attendance. For simplicity and speed, we'll use a few basic codes: P for present, A for absent, and optionally L for late. These act as quick indicators to help you fill in attendance effortlessly. Just enter these letters as appropriate for each day and each attendee. To streamline this process further, let's add a drop-down menu for quick entries. Select the cells where you plan to input attendance data. Head over to the menu bar, click on Insert, and then select Drop-Down. This feature allows you to add the options P, A, and L, making it much easier to input data quickly without typing each letter manually. Now to get an overview of attendance, we need to calculate the total number of days each student was present. In the Total Present column, which we'll place around column G, type the formula equates COUNTIF B2 F2 P. This formula effectively counts the number of P's for each student. Once you've entered the formula for one student, simply drag the corner of the cell down through the column to apply it to all other students. This way, you'll have a running tally of each person's attendance. Finally, let's bring some visual clarity to your sheet by adding color. Highlight the cells designated for attendance. Navigate to the Format menu and click on Conditional Formatting. Here you can set rules so that when a cell contains P, it turns green, A changes to red, and if you're using it, L changes to yellow. This color coding not only makes your sheet more visually appealing, but also allows you to glance quickly at the data and interpret it easily. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a functional, visually clear attendance sheet in Google Sheets. This tool is not only versatile, but incredibly user-friendly, making it perfect for keeping track of attendance with ease.